So today we are going to be factoring quadratic trinomials of the form x squared plus bx plus c. Notice there's no coefficient in front of the x squared besides the 1, and this factors differently than if there is a number in front of the x squared. So we're going to use the diamond method, which remembers the big X. We're going to take the negative 12, that's going to go on top, and then the negative 4, that's going to go on the bottom. And we need to find the two numbers that multiply to be negative 12 and add to be negative 4. If you don't see them immediately, remember that you can list all the factors of 12, such as 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, and then see which pairs of these can fit in here to multiply to be a negative. One of them has to be a negative, and hopefully you can see that if you take positive 2 and negative 6, they multiply to be negative 12, but add to be negative 4. So remember that when there's a coefficient of 1 in front of the x squared, you can simply take your 2 and negative 6 and put them into your factored form, x plus 2 and x minus 6. This right here is your answer. That's the factored form for your original. If you were to multiply everything here times everything here, you would get back what you started with. Just a quick check. X times x is an x squared. X times negative 6 is a negative 6x. 2 times x plus 2x, and 2 times negative 6 is a negative 12. You can see that the negative 6x plus 2x adds up to the negative 4x, getting you back where you started. So remember, these two things are equivalent to each other. This x squared minus 4x minus 12 is exactly the same expression as x plus 2, x minus 6. However, this is the factored form for this quadratic trinomial.